How to size a young LA compressed gym shirt. Hey everybody, I'm Massimo. Welcome back to the only channel on YouTube that covers in-depth videos of cars, fashion, and lifestyle, the Show Me channel. Today we're going over the sizing guide for a young LA compressed gym shirt. So before we get into it, be sure to like and share for that YouTube algorithm, as well as subscribe. Any support would just be awesome. Now let's get right into the guide. All right, so Young LA t-shirts are known for their really good gym shirts. Everybody wants them, everybody needs them right now because of how hyped they are. But how do they size? Because these things fit really hard. Now, why is it hard to size a young LA compressed t-shirt? Well, let me tell you. It's because a gym shirt is made to be very, very compressed. They are super fitted, and that's because they're trying to support you in weightlifting in the gym. And because of that, your regular t-shirt size may not actually be the correct size. These things aren't made out of cotton. They're made of 72% polymade, 71% polyester, and 7% elastane, coupled with 300 GSM fabric. So yeah, very much different from a regular t-shirt. So let me put it on body to show you guys what I'm talking about. Alrighty, so here's what a young LA gym shirt looks like on body. And yeah, I got the Batman t-shirt here for you guys, so it looks really, really cool. But when I noticed when I put this thing on, it's actually kind of hard to put this thing on. Because it's so tight and compressed, feels like a workout just trying to get this thing to fit. But once it's on, as you can see, it hugs every part of my body. My chest is bulging out, my shoulders are kind of like locked in place and kind of hard to maneuver actually. Torso is all hugged and the waist is secured. And that's how this shirt should be. Like, that's what it's made to do. It's not really made to be like a casual lifestyle comfort shirt. And if you really want that hardcore gym look, that superhero fighting aesthetic, then yeah, I think would be a smart idea to go true to size. But I'll be honest with you guys, it's not going to be the most comfortable thing. And if you want this shirt because it looks cool and you want to be a little bit more comfortable at the gym, you're not really going for that kind of vibe or that kind of utility, then I would actually give a good recommendation to go a size up. This t-shirt would be easier to put on. It's going to be a lot more breathable because it'll be less compressed. And you can kind of dig the styling a little bit and maybe try to wear this more out of the gym. Just be warned that it kind of loses kind of that purpose of the t-shirt. Also something to note is that if you guys have really big chest and shoulders, it could be a problem too with this t-shirt because it's stitched very, very precise and hard around this area. So if you actually want to get this t-shirt and you're like, dang, I really got big shoulders and massive chest, maybe it would just be a smarter idea just to go a size up. Now, if you're like in between sizes and you're just not sure, man, do I go true to size or do I go a size up? Man, I really don't know. Just play it safe and go a size up. You should be completely fine. Now I'm going to put up a styling chart right here for you guys to show you guys more of what I'm talking about. But yeah, general recommendations, if you know you have a good build and you want to go for that gym aura superhero aesthetic, go true to size. But if you're like really not sure because you have big shoulders and everything, and you just kind of want to be more casual about it, go a size up. Now, if you're watching this video still and you're like, what if I'm this height or this weight? Well, my general body specs for you guys, I'm about 5'11" and 155 pounds, and I went with a medium. It's really, really compressed, but it shows off all my features and everything, and it does make me look more buff than I actually am. Like, I promise you guys, I'm really not this stone. It's just the shirt, how it supports everything and hugs the features. Here is the sizing chart right here for that though. If you're about 5'4", 5'7", 120 to 140-ish pounds, I would get a small. If you're about 5'9", 5'10"-ish, 140, 170 pounds-ish, I would go with the medium, like me. If you're over 6 foot, creeping up 180, 200 pounds range, I would go with a large. Anything above 200 pounds and above that, go XL. But yeah, I think that's all you guys need to know for sizing a young LA compressed gym shirt. What'd you guys think about it? Comment down below your opinion, like and share for that YouTube algorithm, and last but certainly not least, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.